white skin. Looks like a cow meat, like beef, steak. Wow. Let me taste. I will taste it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is day 3. It is day 3 and we are going for Ostrich Safari. If you're new here, my name is Connie. I am a Namibian content creator and I'm currently in South Africa in Outshoorn, and I am now going for an ostrich safari. I hope you do come along as I take you to an ostrich safari. I'm sure it's gonna be fun. Do enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and grab your popcorn, something to remember always, popcorns, and watch until the end. Look at that. White ostrich. I've never seen it before. Have you seen a white ostrich?
No.
Me too. I have never seen it before.
Wonder how it tastes.
Seems like there's a lot of people here. Those ones. You wonder how it tastes. Finally here at the ostrich farm, and the first group I see it already leaving with the truck. So yeah, do come along to see the ostriches here. I'm using another phone and I see the decrease in quality. Wow. Hi.
You just arrived now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Would you like to join our next guided tour to see the ostriches perhaps? Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's every hour on the full hour. So now at 2 o'clock is the next tour. Okay?
Okay.
I think it's before 2. So you're just in time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So the tickets are available in the shop. It's $194 per adult. And if you would like to interact with the birds, it's possible by feeding them.
Yeah.
And it's 5 rands per feeding container if you are interested. Okay. So the tour is educational and it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we take you with a tractor into the field. There's also a short walking path. So it's all educational. Yeah?
Okay.
So we are going to start from the shop. So you can buy. Okay, look at.
Going to feed the ostrich. Wow. These are all the products from the ostrich leather, ostrich eggs. Wow, look at that. Such a beautiful shop. Wow, wow, wow. Empty ostrich egg is now $100. Ebony wood egg. Wow, this is so beautiful. Do you see that? So beautiful.
Okay, so welcome ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Oriel and I'll be the guide for the next 45 minutes to an hour. So there's an ostrich farm. So we've got 3 types of ostriches on this farm. So we've got the Zimbabwe, the Kenyan, and also the South African birds. So we also have emos on this farm, but they're from Australia. Okay, so the ostriches are quite curious, so they like shiny objects. So anything that is shiny, like rings, earrings, that type of shiny object, so they will try to grab it, and it's going to stay there in their stomach, so it's not coming out. So just be aware of it as well. Okay, so we're going to tractor ride first, and then on the walking tour. So on the walking tour, there's going to be some loose feathers. So I advise everyone not to pick the feathers up. It's quite dirty and also have small lices on as well.
Sorry?
Lices.
Okay.
Okay, so when you feed the ostriches, just make sure to hold the container tightly. So sometimes they grab the container and then we lose the container afterwards. Or you can give a back massage. Hold the container in the middle and then you give your back to the ostrich. Then you're going to eat over your shoulders as well. So we don't do the flat hand anymore because most of the guests' fingers get hurt quite badly. Okay, so before we start, can I have your tickets? That's a ticket. That should show, sir. Thank you.
That's the truck we are going with.
No, you have to buy it. If someone another group, so the third and fourth generation are currently still forming. So we can accommodate about 2,500 ostriches on this farm. Okay. So the farm is about 1,800 hectares, so it's quite big, but we're not able to visit the whole farm in 1 hour. Okay, so the farm is split in two, so we have a show farm and also a breeder farm. Okay, so the male ostriches, they are black and the females is grey brown. That's fine. So the color difference is to camouflage the ostriches while they're incubating. So the male is going to sit on the eggs at night and females during the day. Okay, so the Outshoorn in the little cover is suitable for the breeding ostriches because of the climate. So they are desert birds, so they like the dry weather. So the temperature of Outshoorn can go to 30 to 50 degrees with 220 milliliter rainfall per year. Okay, so the first camp we're in now is the Zimbabwe camp. So they are the tallest birds. So they can grow up to 2.7 meters. The weight of the bird is 140 kilograms. So they also have a blue skin color, and the male's feathers is darker in color compared to the other types. So they got some beautiful black shiny feathers.
Wow.
Okay, so they're also flight. Yes, ma'am, it's male. So they are flightless birds, so they can't fly. Their chest bone is too flat for them to fly, and they are a little bit heavy. But they do have wings, so they use their wings for balance. Also, they will spread their wings out to cool themselves down. So sometimes their beaks are also open. It's also to cool themselves down from the inside.
Whoa! Look at this one. Wow!
Enough for it.
Don't bite me! Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Such a huge bag. Look at the feet. It's twisted. Wow. You never listen.
Okay, so they're quite fast, faster than the predators, that is the lions and the cheetahs. So they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour with the same speed for 2 kilometers.
Wow.
Okay, so now we're in the South African camp. So they are the smallest breed. So they may be the smallest, but they have a higher fatality. And also their feathers is good quality. So they can grow up to 2.2 meters.
The one is so
The
cute.
weight of the bird is 120 kilograms.
So fast. Enough.
Dann nimmt er mir alles weg. Wir kriegen hier nur die Kleine.
So pretty. Wow.
Nein. Ich mache erstmal alles.
Can I touch it or will it bite me?
I don't know.
Oh, da fliegt ja noch alles weg. Der ist ja nicht. Der ist ja nicht. Gar nicht.
So then they also drink 5 liters of water per day. So we often give them fresh alfalfa. It contains 80% moisture, so they will drink less water. So they can go up for 2 weeks without water as well.
Wow.
So some of the ostriches, they will have tags on their necks. If it's not going to be on their neck, it's going to be under their wings. So it's their identification. Their age different, and also in which camp they also belong. So we do not crossbreed the ostriches. It can lower the fatality and also the feather quality as well. So what they eat the pellets, maize, it's corn, it gives them energy. The main feed is lucerne. That's also called alfalfa. Anyone maybe heard of the plant alfalfa? Yes. Yeah? So that's their main feed. So they also eat their own eggshells for calcium. So they are vegetarians, but they do eat a lot. So they can eat up to 2.5 to 5 kilograms per day. Then they also drink 5 liters of water per day. So we often give one. There's a long nail, so it can grow up to 7 centimeters long. So it can also tear flesh open. So they do not attack by peeking, they attack by their toenails. Okay, so on that side is some 2 small ones, so about 3 months old. So they grow quite fast. So after the 14 months, and they are fully grown. So all their feathers is going to look the same till they are 14 months old. Then their feathers is going to start to change to black and grey brown. So we also sell the bird after 14 months to the abattoirs. Then the meat and feathers is good quality at that time. So how older they are, the tougher the meat is going to be.
2 months and they are that tall already. Wow.
So the brain is quite small, but the eyes are bigger than their brain. So the brain weighs about 40 grams and one eye weighs about 60 grams. So they're a dumb kind of bird, but kind of half intelligent also. Okay, so now if an ostrich maybe attack you in the wild, so the safest is to lay flat down on your stomach.
covering your head, so they might sit on you, look over you, or stand on you just for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, they will forget about you because of their small brain. Okay, so that's really a lot of weight of 120 to 160 kilograms, but that's the safest. So everything they do in 5 minutes, they forget about everything. So even if a predator starts chasing them and they start running, then they will forget actually why they run. Okay, so we're going on a walking tour now.
Hey guys, we just got out of the truck. We are now going on a walk tour. This is a white. Is it white or brown? Gray.
Right. She's ignoring me.
She's full. We are now going on a walk tour.
So they're not ostriches, but they do came from the same family. So they are the second largest flightless birds after ostriches. So the male growl, female make a similar sound, like a beating drum. So the females are taller than the males, so they incubate for 54 days and only males incubate. So there's like a fatter layer under their skin that they use for cosmetic products and also for skin products. So they're walking on three toes, ostriches only on 2 toes.
Wants to bite me.
Is something else with Okay, so we also have a little
Go see these birds.
side.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. This is so nice. Big, massive.
They are real, are they?
Magst du das?
Okay, so the second one.
White, this is white.
It's inside only the yolk like chicken eggs. So how we test the eggs, we place the egg in a dark room with a bright light to see if there's a dark spot inside, but there was nothing inside. So it weighs about 1.5 to 2 kilograms, but on soft sand it carries a lot of weight of 120 kilogram horizontal, vertical 220 kilogram. So the eggshell is 2 millimeters thick. 1 ostrich egg equals to 24 chicken eggs. So it is whole family, but it's not healthy sand. So if there's like no soft sand, then the egg can easily break. So we're not allowed to pick up the eggs anymore because most of the guests let the eggs break. So we can only stand on the eggs.
Touch it.
That one not picking up, sir.
Not
Vacuum pigmentation. So 1 out of 10,000 chicks will have white feathers. The rest will have normal feathers. So they won't survive in the wild because of the predators that will see them easier because of their light skin. So they can also get a skin condition because of the sun. So they are the oldest in this camp. So the black and white one is about 45 years old.
Wow. How long can they live?
50 to 60 years old like it.
Wow.
Redness of their skin color. So they are little bit aggressive in nature. That's why there's some double fences. So they can grow up to 2.4 meters. The weight of the bird is 160 kilograms. Okay, so there's a photo frame. We can take some photos of
How
this.
many eggs they give?
11 to 18 eggs.
Ostrich farm. Safari ostrich show farm. Outshoorn, South Africa. Okay. Look at the ostrich meat. Does it look like a bad meat to you? Looks like a cow meat, like beef, steak. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, I'm going to try ostrich meat. And this is the ostrich skin. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, look at this. All this ostrich and all these bags, all those, and this one as well. This is genuine leather. Wow, 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 wow. These are the eggs. Wow. And these are bones. Why are they so huge? Oh my god. Ostrich brain. That's why the lady said the ostrich only think for 5 minutes. The next 6th minute it has forgotten. This is so huge. Oh my goodness. Wow. Deformed ostrich eggs. Deformed. Okay. This is what they eat, and that one, and this. I don't know if they eat stones.
I think they eat everything. Look at this.
Items found in the stomach of the. Oh. What? No ways. Can that pass at the neck, at the throat? Spoon.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Just look at that. Oh my god. No. Wow. Wow. I think we exit through. The historical time of the ostrich industry, 1865 to 2019. Wow, okay. This is interesting. It's interesting.
This is what it.
There. Wow. Okay.
Breakfast.
I know. Wow. So this is what I have ordered. It's an ostrich fillet with salad, as you can see. Let me taste. I will taste and give you guys an honest review.
Try this.
Is it nice? This is beef. So good. I finally had an ostrich fillet, and it is an 8/10. It is good. It is nice. Almost like beef, honestly. It's a steak, red steak that looks like cow meat. So good. You should taste it. Doesn't look like a bad meat at all. It's not white, it is red. It is so good. And now we are on our way back home. We are going to pass by the grocery shop and buy some drinks, water.
Coffee.
We are going to buy water, coffee. Was noch? Okay, water and coffee. Snacks. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It is down below. and leave a nice comment in the comment section and let me know, would you try an ostrich meat? Because I did. As picky as I am, I did, and you should try it as well. So thank you for watching.